Where is your wife in? Is it in
C C7.
C7?
She's still in the operation room.
Still
Yeah, because she
need
just
to observe her
yeah
time.
because what happened to her yesterday is
She's lost
bad.
conscious.
Yeah.
Uh,
That's why supposed to be she will deliver the baby on November, or because now it's just I think 7 months and 3 weeks.
yes.
So it's really not time for her to deliver the baby, but suddenly it's just happened for emergency, and actually it's very bad situation because on that time I've been working and I cannot answer my phone because
Where is your working place?
in Wanchai,
In Manchester.
yeah, we have a construction site there.
You
And
don't know your wife gave birth to this baby?
I'm sorry.
Yesterday when your wife gave birth to the baby, you don't know that?
I don't know because I tell to my wife this morning when I came here. On that time, my cell phone is in my locker, and we've been working on that moment.
Cannot contact you.
Yes, and the hospital already told me also that they have called me many times, but nobody is answer. And so they called my sister and some of my relatives, my wife's relative, but also cannot answer because maybe they are also on duty. So on that time, she's very unlucky because she delivered our baby in a very emergency situation. So on that manner, maybe, but it's okay because she delivered in a good situation.
Yes.
I just